Electric coil or water heater. In an electric coil that we use to heat water, the shape of the coil is such that it helps the flow of electric charges rapidly helps in heating the coil and producing the hot water. We use the small electric coil or water heater in case of any urgent hot water requirement. Tube light or bulbs. Tube lights and bulbs are an excellent example of electrical energy to heat energy conversion that we use in our daily lives. There will be a fragile filament through which the charges pass through and convert electrical power into heat energy. Electric iron box. The electric iron box is one of the essential appliances we use in our everyday routine. It is one of the primary examples of electrical energy to heat energy conversion. In an iron box, the filaments present are designed and made with a suitable element that helps in the energy conversion. Convection heaters. Convection heaters are appliances that produce one of the modes of heat transfer, i.e., convection, when supplied with electric charges. There will be a space heater, through which the charged particle passes through the tiny filaments that help in the conversion of electrical energy to heat energy. Electric toaster. We generally use a toaster to prepare a delicious bread toast. When you insert bread inside a toast, plug the machine into the socket. The toaster helps the electric charges from the socket to pass to the filament, where it converts electrical energy to heat energy that produces crispy hot toast. Electric kettle. The small electric kettle that we generally use for preparing hot water, coffee, etc., works on the same principle of converting electrical energy to heat energy. A coil will be present at the bottom of the kettle that helps in energy conversion. When you supply some electrical power to the coil, the atoms race, producing more heat energy. Electric clothes dryer. We use an electric cloth dryer to make our work easier. It helps in drying the clothes using a primary mechanism of electrical energy to heat energy conversion. When the appliance is provided with a power supply, the charges move quickly and produce heat as the inner outlet of the appliance spins. Electric straightener. We use an electric straightener for the quick drying of hair with heat. In any straightener or dryer, when it is plugged with the power source, the charged electric particles travel faster through the filament, converting electrical energy to heat energy. Radiation heaters. Radiation heaters are appliances that work on one of the modes of heat transfer, i.e., radiation, when supplied with electric charges. There will be a space heater, through which the charged particle passes through the tiny filaments that help in the conversion of electrical energy to heat energy. Electric microwave oven. Even the electric microwave oven works with the help of energy conversion of electrical to heat energy. In a microwave oven, the electric charges pass through the plug and enter the inner core of the stove. Here the conversion of electrical to heat energy takes place that helps in baking the food items. Electric cooker. In an electric cooker, the conversion of electrical energy to heat energy occurs on the inner walls of the cooker. When the electric cooker is plugged into the socket, the charges travel to the inner walls, which are elements that help in the energy conversion. In this way, with the help of heat produced by the inner walls of the cooker, we can cook many food items. Electric stove. The electric stove design is such that the conversion of electrical energy into heat energy will occur in a fraction of seconds. The electric stove plug will fix the wall from which the power is supplied to the burners on the upper part of the stove. Here the charges move through burners producing heat energy. Electric heaters. Electric fan heaters are appliances that help in supplying heat during cold winters. In cold regions, people generally use these heaters to keep them warm. There will be a special filament or coil that helps convert electrical energy to heat energy when charges pass through it. Heat pumps. Heat pumps are generally seen in farms to produce a large amount of heat. A unique coil will be inserted in the pumps that convert electric charges to heat energy when a power source is attached. Electric geyser. In an electric geyser that we use to heat water, the shape of the coil present inside the coil is such that it helps electric charges to move quickly and rapidly, creating random movements that help in heating the coil and producing the hot water. We use this electric geyser in our household, a prominent example of electrical energy to heat energy. It was all about the different examples of electrical energy to heat energy conversion. Frequently asked questions (FAQs). What is electrical energy? Electrical energy is one of the vital energy sources. We consider electrical energy to be obtained from the movement of charges within a medium, and it is also considered either electric kinetic energy or electric potential energy. What is heat energy? Heat is another vital form of energy that we get naturally from different sources. Heat energy is the rapid or slow movement of molecules or atoms in a medium. The fastness or quickness of atom movement decides the amount of heat energy supplied. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.